That was the Union Pacific DD40X with a train that was not running yesterday when I was here. It's the O-scale third rail layout. That looks like it's the same train that they were running yesterday on this layout, the Sainte to Bellevue bridge layout. And then that looks great. This is N scale. Here's another one coming. Oh, that's a long one. And there's another train with military loads. Here, this is the main MoNtreal modules layout, which is actually two trains in one, two layouts in one. And they got the setup track too. Yeah, so this is the part that they don't usually have. This is all brand new. A large in-progress building of a large station above the tracks. And freight goes through it. I like this. I think Steve's train is 4 locomotives. Oh, that was not supposed to happen.